Hey everybody, so I'd like to show you today how to make or compose a new message on the Canvas website. And so I'm going to type in here. So we also, it's called InStructure. So I go to the BYU, the university. And so right here, as you can see, there is a box on the left-hand side that says Inbox. So you're going to press on Inbox. And then to compose a new message, you'll come over to this leaf and you'll click on that and you'll pick what course that you want to send a message to. And if someone in your class's name is Ashley, click on that and write a subject, homework, and then you'll type the message here. And then you'll hit send. And that is how you send a message in Canvas. Thank you.